No real for nobody a things of your teeth, nothing from the people of Jamaica. You understand me? But a sound stay on of a dirty, crowbait, reprobate, blood clot mentality.
A few moments later.
Absolute rubbish was posted, and I say so without fear of contradiction.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox.
No Media Fox, you know. So people, I see the back and forth thing I go on with Buju and Mr. Valls and thing. I say, yo, let me do a little review and, you know, do my little investigation based on what me I seen in the media. Seeing and where Buju I say and, you know, Valls I say. You understand? But me I play that video and hear what Valls I say.
Custom broker who handled the shipment, and I want to make it very clear that the shipment left the airport intact as it came, fully wrapped, and everything that was there left the airport in the custody of the charitable organization. It went to a warehouse in Spanish Town, which the government has no involvement in whatsoever. So as far as what we did in terms of making sure that the goods that were meant for the people, the poor suffering people, were delivered. And I want to thank all of the airport staff that continue to work so tirelessly under the worst strain and pressure to make sure that we manage all of these cargo flights in a smooth and efficient manner. Because
you know, I'm not like Mr. Valls. It sound like you defend the people. As some see it. You defend, you say you work hard and everything. You not address the situation in a right manner. You understand? You go say, remember, you know, here say you are working, you know. The custom agent them can tell you anything. Them no must tell you the truth. Them not gonna tell upon themselves. You understand? I hear say you work with right now. Even if this a matter for go court, here say can't work, brother. Can't work. Me see a lot of things I put out. People just need where the footage there. Cause I know enough camera there. Where the footage them there. For when the stuff. Cause me I wonder. I never know say things just forward and it just get clear. Cause I see a list put up and thing and me I say yo, you not check these things. I want to know because I never know say things just come off a cargo bomb and just go in a truck so. You understand? But where you work with that year say brother, custom agent can tell you anything brother. When you call them, they can say yo, you just come out of this and raid them. Not gonna tell you the right thing. You understand? So, but you are big up the workers them and thing where remember you know, brother. You say 300 cargo plane come with relief. People may not lie still, you know. A lot of things that you know. 300 cargo plane, you know, and a normal goods in that, you know. All that need to look into cause where the stuff them they were for the people them get. You understand? So basically, he must say but remember Mr. Valls, remember say yeah, 300 something things might missing. A lot of people just not go report it. It's been years, people buried all down a wharf. Me even witness it myself. You understand? Basically it happened to me. Barrel come and things missing. And then when you say it to them, they might look within it and investigate and all them, and then nothing come out of it. The system is rigged. You understand? But here we must say people.
some broker who handled the shipment, just want to say that it's not perfect because we are now overburdened with more flights than we normally expect. However, we are doing our best, and I'm going to ask for everybody to please just do what you are doing and do so in the best interest of the people of Jamaica. And do not cause mischief or nuisance because I will be there to defend the government as long as it is on the seaside or the port side.
You see, brother, you double down, bro. You keep on say you got defend and say you tell me say now if information forward or say dismissal, you say yo, you got defend the government. This come like you bro, may I tell you right. Mr. Valls, you kinda look spooky this brother. Cause you're supposed to talk about the situation and address the thing. Bro, people things are missing. You understand? Enough of them people are not gonna report to you, bro. We know, you know, Jamaicans, them not all if them take things. Look how much thing missing a wharf and airport. They might call you and say, you know, say, yo, things missing, you know, way. You know what I'm glad about that situation of people? I'm glad say Buju Banton found out. You know why? All if nothing no go so or whatsoever. But you know why I'm glad? It's because I want the attention upon these things where them take people good seriously. All of them people, remember you know, remember say Valls them and the government them now have nothing to do with the package and I like them dead they are anything. Them just get a little report and investigate them, call two people, yo, where, this, that. Them now nothing to do with it, you know. is the people them who are work, who control, the manager, the supervisor who are deal with the package them and deal with barrels when them come in the country. Are them, are these people. You know how much people send sheet set and 1 foot of shoes, lean them gone with 2 different, because them a take out fast, you know. You understand? I years this a go on. But Mr. Vaz just like him just a me know him no want the government thing look bad. But me I say, that's why Buju say, yo, are the people them who dead just a thief. You understand? Remember, you know, enough things miss not a people barrel. Enough things. Things just miss, but it's like, people them know say, yo, nothing will come out of this, so them not bother with it. You understand? So, a years this a go on people. So, and him know that because he must say, yo, pressure and nothing not perfect. You know, bro, you know, say things happen down there. You know. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
Absolute rubbish was posted, and I say so without fear of contradiction. And anybody who wants, come to me and I will give you the evidence. We will investigate any case and every case because we want transparency and accountability. What we don't want is mischief and nuisance. And that's what was posted last night. God bless Jamaica.
Well, I don't know we have that proof of the man say mischief. Mischief. John. Yo, you know, that's what me I tell you, say, yo, this political thing I kind of get very serious in his life. Nobody can say nothing again, you know. It's like, yo, this man here defend this. But we look on the situation right now. But when we look on it, we say, yo, brother, you just get a report from the custom. The custom, them all, if them now got it, you think them are going to tell you, say them do something wrong for you, fire them? Them now going to say that, brother, them are going to defend, same like how you defend the government body, as same, so the customer defend for them workers. Them now going to tell the truth, because look here, if the workers, them are thief, you know, and for years, that means that the head them know what go on. You understand? Everybody can tell you what ship barrel we go on. All out of custom, people take things out of suitcase and this and that and go check enough of them. You understand? Check enough of them house. You understand where mattress and them little thing there. Full out, house full out, them not for buy nothing. So everybody know what go on. Everybody a try hustle. So I know nothing new. I know nothing new. So if Buju show a thing, the only thing me can say, yo, Buju, brother, if you do them thing, then make sure say you do a foot, you do a foot. If dead, if you see everything. Because right now, I know them now put out none of them footage there. All me see the man show a picture. Picture can, you think you can go in a court and say, Your Honor, see the picture them, brother, that are before. You understand that are before. When not take off things or pack the video or picture not have nothing. Picture can't do nothing, brother. It just show they saw, yeah, package come, that's it. But what happened after that? What happened after the picture? You understand? What happened after the picture? Posting up pictures and say, look here, yo, them safe and that not have nothing because event can happen after that. You understand? But people, you must say.
Just want to say that it's
so basically, Zine, if you don't see what I go on, let me show one of people because I don't really want to see the situation, you know. See? So basically, you must say, yo, the video yesterday, basically, I'm going to summarize it for no people. Because I know Mr. Vaz hurt, you know. Yeah, man, him hurt, man. So basically, you must say the goods arrived Tuesday. Seeing our cleared immediately by a custom broker. Remember, you know, Vaz not there, you know. A report him I get from the people, you know. A people you hear from, you know, bro. There's no evidence where you could have pull up right now, because them I tell you hearsay. Me know you try to defend the government body. All if something happen, you just now go come say yo, something happen. But you're saying that the conference a while ago say, yo, not perfect because, you know, the bag of shipment and everything are forwarding. So that shows you, brother. Them people say, yo, be a free package come in. What you mean me I take 2 things? Come on, people, man. A common sense, man. Them people know free things are forwarding, you know. It no matter if for people who are hungry and them thing there, you know. Them are going to take things. Me I tell you. Right now, for them house full up, them a take out some food for care go give them family. Me I tell you that people right now, people are take out a true a Buju come talk. A true a Buju. Yo, make a the one normal man come out come talk. Me I tell you this would go nowhere. The government them would even pay this no mind. A true a Buju Banton man a celebrity. And that's why. But them thing have been going on. People, picture this. Them people are we are clear customs where how much free thing are forward. Enough things. Just pray it. One of them or 2 of them and say, yo, me I get 2 tin, you know, yo, a yard, you know, me I carry this, you know, yo, 2 bag, you know, yo, me I tell you, them I take things, so much free things that come from foreign, and then there's a pass and a slide through, so, Come on, man. So basically, he must say, yo, they never went to any room or off-site location. It went straight from the plane and to the tarmac to the receiving truck sent for the goods. Remember, you know, people, this is information. This is not where Vals are seen. No. You understand? This is where Vals nah see. Because, look you now, at the report where I get, remember I did other things. So whatever I type in an Instagram comment right here, so, aware the custom agent, them tell him, because I'm never did it. We see him receive other packages, but that one I'm never did it. All of them picture with them when I post, that's why I say, wait, I don't understand this. Who take them picture there? Because if this is the thing, you know, if the package them forward Tuesday and immediately go in at the truck, right? Me I say now, who take them picture, yeah? Because regularly when them think they are going, me I say, yo, regular them would not take no picture. You know, how them picture reach Vaz. If a Buju people them thing, how them, me not understand. This not sound. Me I wonder if them just take some picture or something. Yeah, and just put up a thing and take some picture and say, yo, I send Vaz for proof. But I don't prove that. Taking some picture and stuff where package wrap and everything. That is no evidence. It's just a picture that you can't look on a picture and say, yo, these are evidences, things not missing. Go and see the everything with the video them and everything, because him just a work with a report and him so strong with it too. It's a report him a work with, you know, people. You understand? So him say items were all wrapped and sealed in the same manner which they will receive. You understand? So you tell me say now, so does that mean say drugs and them thing they can ship then? So you're telling me something come off a plane and just go boom, right in a truck? Me not understand that. So nobody not check nothing. You know, if see why in the barrel them I could have gone, I could have this. Come on, people, man. Come on, man. Come on. Better than this. You understand? So the hurricane relief them will come. Would you show a picture say, I'm sure the barrel, you must say stove and all of them little thing there. Zane, me not see the proof. But in this situation where we can say, yo, how come the people them not check the thing them? Oh, thing just wrap and everything and it just going in one chuck so nobody not check. Not check. That a way puzzle me. But as me say, Val just a work off a way the custom agent them tell him. Yeah, I just some see people. And that him I work with. You see, but him say a different thing, you know. See him, so basically him say, yo, don't you say, yo, custom officer who clear the items. No, not that one there. He must say, yo, I thought I cannot deny that custom process have been far from perfect for many years, but every instant or complaint must be investigated on its merit. Come on, Mr. Vaz, man, a years now, man. How much people are complain and nothing happen? That's I'm glad say Buju forward out, you know. Yeah, tell me say so much things investigate and nothing can solve. We not hear nobody get locked up, nothing. Come on, man, the system need to sort out, man. That's why I'm glad say Buju call it out. Because now, you can look in and take this serious, because no one no more celebrity forward out and say anything, you know. To make the thing look bad, you know. Yeah, man, no one none of that. You understand? So, people. So basically, I say, yo, as a result of numbers of cargo flights received each day, there is no warehousing or relocation of the shipments received in most cases. So, when things come at custom, how would them not check it? No, people, tell the truth. So when things, so things just come and custom not check it. Say to me say, guns and them something they can ship now and nobody not check it. That you try to tell me now? Me not understand. Me not think, why is not the same procedure? For this particular shipment, I went straight to the truck. Well, it went straight to the truck from the runway. Image of all pallets were taken and sent. No, me not under. Mr. Vaz, go on, brother Vaz, go on, bro. So, brother, so if the shipment them ship, this are the problem, you know. Who it sent to? Because Mr. Vaz, if you, I go say, from Tuesday, basically I work with the report, if you are go say, yo, from Tuesday, the thing them ship, right? And basically, today them post up some picture. Yeah, I think today. Seeing? Today man post up some picture in the people. And You are gonna say, remember, you know, accuse everything ship down and drop and send off, you know. And you say you get the picture them. But now when Buju talk, you say yo, you go investigate. Me not understand. You get the you say you get the picture them when it go off. So what happened? Picture alone can't give evidence, bro. Picture alone in this situation, it's we're talking about the aftermath. What the people them need are the video, no need to look for the footage. But people, we don't know nothing come out of this, right? Nothing now come out of this. This system now go. You now go here say yo, this a agent here, a worker get locked up because no, it a go look bad. Them now go do it. You understand? So basically, them say yo, a cargo manifest was also provided for what? Yo, Mr. Vaz, come on, man. For shipment, not stove or Starlink devices were sent in the shipments. No, none of that. I want to go on, Buju. Yeah, man, I say, yo, no shipping a dog, I want to go on. Well, Buju says so, you know, they must know what them send down, you know. But, Mr. Vaz, you never did it. You never did it. That's one of the things, you know, brother, you work with a report, you know. And first of all, human cannot be trusted. You can't listen what them a say. Them now go come and tell no lie, brother. Them now go forward and tell no lie. So them a say, yo, the interest of transparency, I will share the entire list of items sent and pack on the truck. So basically, people, the list was sent, right? There was a list was sent with some things. See? I mean, I say, who create this list? I don't understand, because if the list sent to you, who create the list? And the thing they must, if a list is there, that means that things have to check off. Right, people? Things have to check off. Have to check off if list dead. So there is no way things can just come off a plane, boom, and go in a truck without checking. Something not right there, so. Yeah, I tell you. So basically, I say, yo, in the interest of transparency, I will share the entire list of items sent and pack on the truck. So that sound like them do a little checking at the stuff. So there you goes. Because if it say the entire, when say the entire list of items sent and pack on the truck, that means a check-in go on. You understand? Then him say, yo, the goods never went to a back room or any office. Brothers, Vals. Brother, at the agency I tell you this, bro. Stop make it seems like you were there. Remember you make that statement, you know? This never, where you are making an Instagram comment, you know, bro. This not never write no signature or anything, sir, from the agency, you know. That's all me have to tell you know, bro. You wasn't there. You make that strong point, yeah. Like I said, the goods never go back in any room like you did there. You're not sure. You understand? Same say, or an office of a storage facility on another location. The goods were received and moved from the cargo flight to a truck using heavy duty equipments. So yeah, tell me say, but people, I want to really look, you know. See, I'm gonna show something and so. You see it, because I don't understand. So basically, this is one of the package. Seeing, I guess, move from the cargo and go in at the container, right? Alright, let's move to the next one. This now. Look on this. In the cargo, move, go in there so. Which this is a picture. We don't know it a lean up there, so I don't know. You understand? So this is the next one. Now go see the next one forward. Alright. Wanna see that one, yeah? But people, rotted. People, look up here, so. Look up in the right corner up there, so people. Them something there we are fall out of the box. Nothing food them there, so. Eh? Look over there, so in the right corner, people. Wait, there one day we can zoom. Alright, look there, people. Where you see over the 8/9, nothing something them they drop out. What them there? Nothing something drop out. Box no pull on them something there, so look no tape. Yo, people just me I tell you, you know. A lot of them things are open. See box, alright, look. See right here, so with the tape there. See it right here, so look on the tape. With the flat box here right there, so. I pull that look like it pull. So what the problem? But look on some other box, people. Alright. This look like it wrap. Like, if you realize, see the forklift, yeah, look on the pallet, you see there's something we got through in the pallet, they say, no, say, all right, that just drop in a container. So them take a picture of that. But if you see the picture before, a lot of things dash out, the man, them, yo, anything can play right there, so. It no must, and everything must go in there, you know. And everything must go in there, people. May I tell you? And everything must go in there. Because if you're checking at the barrel, yeah, so, right? Water in the barrel and all of them look at something there. Seeing? But a lot of things missing. There's no way this a bit, but man, I go send this a barrel, so something missing, man. Things missing. So right now, let me tell you people, it could have been anything, you know. It could have been at the custom, and it could have been after when them collect it and guard the place down there, so. Right? Because I don't know where this there. This look like the barrel open already and all of these things cut out. But me and say people, them I go check the barrel. There's no way. Things are going to come and them not check it out of custom. Seal cut off and everything. There's no way, people. No way. It a go, I'm just showing a package right this a while ago. So the thing them a drop out of the box. Things are like box pull already and things. This are just maybe one of the thing them. You understand? But custom, whatever, the government them need to make the people them investigate us. Because them cannot go so hard and not defend and them not sure. Them just a work with a way the custom say to them. And that are the major situation. You understand? So, he might go strong and he might say, yo, people, this and misinformation. He might go defend the government once upon land and come on, brother, my youth. See, me just sorry say, yo, Buju, just know say you fit up on the ground, bro. When he might check them something, yeah, brother. You understand? Because right now, you are show a barrel, you know. Seeing? One barrel that. But we understand how the system stay at Jamaica. We understand how it stay. Me know Vaz now come out and tell the truth. Them are going to defend them thing. You understand? Them are defend them thing, man. So, me just glad say, the people are aware of the situation where this are going, but enough people get affected in the past. So, me just glad say, bring up, so this take a serious measure about this situation. That's all, people. You understand? But, big up on yourself. And I hope we hear a few more about this situation, you know? Yeah, man, I don't know media facts. That is it.